శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 764th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్ మహాభారతము 3rd పర్వం, వనపర్వం ఆర్ అరణ్య పర్వం, 27th చాప్టర్. సూత మహర్షి గివింగ్ హిజ్ డిస్కోర్స్ టు Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, Draupadi Devi saying to Dharmaraju like this, O Dharmaja, in the past there used to be so many delicious dishes sent to all the Brahmanas in the golden plates. Now I don't see that kind of great things happening here. Now by seeing you looking like this, living like this, my heart is not at peace. O Dharmaja, your brothers, they used to get decorated very well. They are all very young and they all get to eat all kind of dishes whatever they like to eat. Now same brothers abhojayanta mishtannaihi sudaha parama samskrutaihi sarvamstanadya pasyami vane vanyena jivinaha. Now they are wandering here and there in the forest and getting all kind of herbs, fruits and eating and living like this. When I see this kind of state of your brothers, my heart is not at peace. Oh my dear Dharmaja, your brothers, yourself are not deserved to go through any kind of these kind of troubles, but because you are all going through these troubles, my heart is, my mind is not at peace. Look at Bhimasena. He is such a great person and he is now going through so much of grief. Are you not getting mad at your enemies by looking at your brother Bhimasena's situation here? Bhimasena would never show his back in the battle. Now he is doing all his things by himself. He is greatly deserved to enjoy all the pleasures, but he is not enjoying now. By looking at this Bhimasena, oh my dear Dharmaja, are you not getting mad at your enemies? And this Bhimasena always used to be enjoying all kind of garments, food items and everything. Now he is going through so many troubles here in the forest. After seeing this, O Dharmaja, kasmat manyurna vardhate, why are you not getting mad at your enemies? Why are you not getting anger? Like that, Draupadi Devi questioning Dharmaraju. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us Do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana 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 Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. For Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. For Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishyē vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.